Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you a Canva clone PDF editor application that I developed in React.js. I'm just showing you the demo right here. So it directly executes in the browser. It's a single page React.js application. It's Canva clone PDF editor. So we are running it on local host, as you can see. So right here you will select your PDF file. It has this advanced editor where you can edit, highlight, annotate your PDF files. Once you select your PDF file, it will render out, it will view, you can read your PDF files directly. So it is having total number of pages, previous page, next page. Then we have this nice little advanced editor. It's entirely developed in React.js. I've given the source code. You can directly purchase it. The link is given in the description. So after you purchase it, you will get actually all the source code from Google Drive automatically. This is a directory structure. Each and every file is divided into its appropriate TypeScript file here. So once you get the source code, you will be able to modify this and add additional features as well. So now I'm just running it on localhost. As you can see, we have started this project npm run start. So once the project has started, so this is, you can actually use these features. Just click the pencil icon and right here you will be able to first of all navigate. So you can go to the next page like this using these buttons. And then if you want to add some text, you can add this. As you can see, we are adding some text right here. We can just place it accordingly, and we can even change the font size as well. Just select it and just change the font size. Using the color picker, change the color of the text, and then again like this. So you can see how easy it is. So after you add this, you can place your accordingly. Same goes with images. If you want to add image in the second page, so this is the insert image button. So right here you will select your image. Wherever you need to place this image, you can change, control the width, height, placement accordingly. After that, then we have this button of export PDF. Exporting the changes automatically, the output file will be downloaded. So all the changes that you have done, such as adding the text, highlighting, annotating, everything is saved. You can see the image is also added. This is a complete project that I developed in React.js. If you are interested, guys, it's a Canva clone PDF editor, static single page application which directly runs in the browser. So the link is given in the description. So I basically use some third-party libraries for which is Fabric.js. We have also used PDF-LIB, pdfjs-dist, and React. We are using the latest version. As you can see, this is the package.json file. So PDF-lib is a JavaScript PDF generation library. pdfjs-dist is once again a very famous PDF related library in JavaScript. And after all, we are also using React, the latest version, Fabric. It's very easy to run this locally, and also you can deploy this, build out this project and build out to a real domain name as well. It's very easy to deploy this as well. So once you get the source code, you will be able to modify this source code and also add additional features on top of this project. So the application is quite simple. You basically select your PDF file. It will render out your PDF file where you can read all the pages. You have all these basic controls out there. You can navigate to the next page, and we can even change the background color as well. So here you can just need to first of all select the font size, and you can just see we also have the ability to insert images. So I've shown you the full demo. If you're interested, the link is given in the description. You can directly purchase it.